Hello, thank you for being part of this video once again. My name is Adonis Wamba, a finance and investment analyst and a business management consultant. And today, in this video particularly, I want to talk to traders. Yes, those are investing or trading in the financial market particularly. Whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading gold, whether you're trading um, Forex, whatever it is you trade, particularly as CFDs, okay? If you have been trading, there's a problem we all have or we all had. That's the truth. Now, the biggest challenge in trading is what I want to share with you. And at the end of the day, share a few thoughts on how you can overcome it, particularly how we're able to overcome it. This is almost 20 years of trading, and I have a lot I can share that can help you as it has helped me. Okay? If you have been trading, you traded for 1 month, just 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you have been trading online, you will agree with me that the biggest challenge that we face is managing and mastering your emotions. We call it psychology of trading. Very, very powerful, very dangerous, very, very challenging. It is the most difficult thing to learn as far as trading is concerned. And many people trade for years without learning or being able to overcome it. And then they give up, they keep losing money, keep blowing account, and at the end of the day, they give up the trading. So, but today, I want to share a few thoughts on how can help, something that can help you. Now, when we talk about trading, trading emotion, psychology, you see, it's like why it is difficult. It's like you are the one that is in charge of yourself. Okay, number one, you are the one that is making the rules of your trading. You have the power to. You are the one executing it, and you are the one that has the power to adjust it. Unfortunately, it's something that can easily be adjusted. It can adjust easily at any time. And now you are the one that made the rule, you are the one that's executing the rule, and you are the one that has the power to also adjust it. And like I said, it is something that is so easily adjusted, you can easily adjust it at any time. So that is the difficult part. So as soon as it comes and there is need, a small need to adjust it, you just emotion drives you and you adjust it. Okay, and that is where the problem is. Now, talking about trading psychology, talking about trading emotions, there are I said major areas of focus when we're talking about trade emotions. Number one is greed. Yeah, I was talking with somebody just the other day here, yesterday actually. I was like, oh, I lost some money. It's a greed. Greed is one thing many people complain about, but you don't have to be greedy. You can't make all the money one day. Okay, so greed is when you try to make more than necessary, try to gain more than necessary. Of course, without an element of greed, nobody will set out to work. We all work, we all try to get something out of life because of an element of greed. That is fine, that is good, that is inspiring. Okay, but when you become greedy, it becomes a problem. Okay, now number two is fear. Fear. You're in the market, you're trading and business, you're afraid. Oh, will this thing work? Will this thing go this way? Will it go this way? Will I make profit? Will I lose my money? Fear is a very bad psychology in trading. And then the last I said of the three major ones is hope. Yeah, it's hope. You just have hope where there is no hope. You just keep hope. You don't trade forex. You don't trade online. You don't trade stock. You don't invest in financial market. We just hope out of greed, out of fear. These three things need to be mastered: greed, hope, and fear. These three things must be mastered. Okay. Now we have a special class, specialized master class that helps you where you will learn how to deal with your trading emotions. Now, actually, we share how I was able to succeed, how we at Gardner Traders Academy particularly were able to come over it. And it took us a very, very, very long time. Okay, but we have been able to come out of it. Now we don't trade with emotions again. At least we don't trade with emotions again. We can trade with confidence. We can trade with peace of mind. No, I always say it. You can trade in the financial market, trade with forex with peace of mind. You can trade with confidence, you can trade with peace of mind. And that is only when you are not trading with your emotion, when you are taking care of your emotions. Okay. So I want you, if you're a trader, you are trading any aspect, any area of the financial market, I would like you to be part of that course. I would like you to be part of that course. It's just a 2 weeks course and it's online, something you can even buy and listen to. Okay. But if you can come practically, I mean physically, why not? We'll take you in that class. Just a 2 weeks class to learn how to manage your emotion. It's systematic. When you start trading as with a system, and you're no longer trading with yourself, you're trading with your system, and you adhere to your system. Okay. So, but quickly, let me just give you a few tips, a few things you can hold in trying to deal with your emotions. Number one, trade as an investor. Trade as an investor. Don't trade as a speculator. As a speculator, don't trade as a trader. Trade with the mindset of an investor. You may not understand this very well, but please notice, write it down that this is what Adonis Mama said. Trade with the mindset of an investor. Now, this is something you can pick out of it. An investor trades, or the investor practices in the long term. That is the only major difference. An investor is concerned about the long term. So don't trade to make all the money at once. Be concerned about the long term. Concerned about what you're going to make in the long term. Okay, that's number one tip I'll just give you here now. Number two, don't complicate your analysis. Don't complicate your analysis. If you complicate your analysis, you'll be confused. You take this way, you take this way, you now, before you know it, your emotion begin to come in instead of your strategy. And another thing I will tell you very importantly, if you are dealing with your psychology, trying to manage your emotions, do not go into scalping. Scalping is a very good strategy in trading, but if in this situation you are still struggling with your emotions, struggling with your trading psychology, do not use scalping strategy. Do not use scalping strategy. Okay? Yeah, like I said, it's a good strategy. Anybody can use it, particularly scalping, determining. But when you know the level you are in, that you are still struggling with your emotions, still struggling with trading psychology, don't do scalping. Okay, just wait. If you are still you're just learning, trying to understand the market very well, don't go into scalping. Okay, that is very, very, very important. It will help you to be more relaxed. It will help you to look at the long term, and at the end of the day, you have something new. Now, let me give you a tip. Focus more on trend strategy. Here in Cardinal Traders, as a trader over the years, I've developed so many trading strategies that I use, and I know when to use which one. For example, we have the CRS, Cardinal Reversal Strategy. Yeah, it's for reversal markets, which works with price action and support and resistance. Okay, we also have the trending strategy, so we use them at different times. But please, if you are struggling with emotions, don't use scalping. It's very, very important. I will encourage you to register for that course, just 2 weeks course, 3 times a week. Or if you want to do it online, you can do it online. I will encourage you to register for that. It will make a whole lot of difference in your trading. Particularly, it will mean that you don't struggle again. You know when to buy, you know when to sell, you know when to exit the market, and with peace of mind. As you open your trade, you are not fidgeting, your heart is not skipping. Even if the even fundamental, whatever is happening in the market, you already know where you are going. And when you check, you say, okay, this is where I'm going. You pick what you can pick, and you go out of the market. All right. So encourage you to be part of that training. Is about managing and mastering your emotion and your psychology in trading, and together you make something better out of your forestry. Thank you very much.